we've got today. Delicious raspberry cupcakes with white chocolate icing. So I'm Catherine from Her Majesty Cooks. Let's do it. In a large bowl, put in 120 grams of very softened butter or margarine if you prefer. Then add 120 grams of caster sugar. So next we're going to add 120 grams of self-raising flour. There's no need to sieve any of the dry ingredients here. Then we're going to put in a teaspoon each of baking powder and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And I have 2 beaten eggs here, which I've just beaten lightly together, and add those. So take an electric whisk, and the nice thing about this recipe is you just whisk it all together for about a minute until it's smooth. So then gently fold in 80 grams of raspberries. Try not to break them up too much. That should do it. So then I have 12 cake cases here prepared in the tin. So divide the mixture evenly between them. I've used approximately a heaped dessert spoon in each one. And we're going to pop them into a preheated oven, 160 fan, for about 15 to 20 minutes and then leave to cool. Meanwhile, for the icing, whisk 150 grams of butter until light and fluffy. Then add 250 grams of sieved icing sugar and 80 grams of full fat cream cheese. Give that all a good mix in. And then we're going to add the white chocolate. So we have 50 grams that I've just melted gently in the microwave. It really is quite simple to do like that. So just fold it all in nicely together. When it's all mixed up, I like to put it in the fridge to firm up. So here's the cakes all nice and cool and ready for the icing. So I'm going to pipe it on now. So start from the outside and work into the centre, bringing it to a nice little peak in the middle. This icing is smooth and creamy. So just finish them all off like that. Just makes them look attractive. And then you can decorate them how you wish. I've got some sugar glittery sprinkles here. You can also colour the icing if you wish. Give it a nice colour as well. And then I'm going to just top them with half a raspberry just to finish them off. And that looks really lush. That's it again for this week, so thanks so much for watching. If you want to keep up with my new videos, don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you next time. Bye!